Hi, my name is Brad McDonald. I'm an employment lawyer and partner at Godfreys Law in Christchurch, and I lead a team of employment lawyers who act for both employers and employees with many years of experience successfully navigating employment relationship problems. Yeah, so recently had a young woman contact me and she'd recently put in a complaint against someone in her workplace. Reasonably small team in a small rural town in South Island, New Zealand. And she wasn't the only complainant actually, interestingly, because that can often be the case, but actually her manager and another co-employee put in complaints about similar but distinct behaviour from the employee in question. And that employee then has been given a copy of those complaints and has chosen to go out to the community and disclose those complaints to people in the community, to basically say, look, these people are tattletales, they're narcs, and to then assassinate their characters for their own designs, while still being in the workplace with this employee who's had to interact with this person who has anger issues on a one-to-one basis without other people being around, which has left her feeling very frightened and anxious, of course, without any plan being put in place by her employer as to how that could be safely managed in terms of what is appropriate and inappropriate interactions, and how does that all look until this is resolved. That opens that employer up to potentially a multitude of different issues and or claims. Firstly, I'd suggest if there was a process mandated in either the employment agreement or the policies and procedures of the organisation in question, that could potentially be a breach of contract claim. It certainly could be a breach of good faith under the provisions of the Employment Relations Act. So if that employee got hurt by the other employee being complained about in the workplace, or there was an assault, there could be a claim obviously by WorkSafe. Or WorkSafe could instigate an investigation. There could be a claim for an unjustified disadvantage whilst in the workplace. There could, in the absence of any further injury or abuse, be a personal grievance claim for an unjustified disadvantage. You've failed to adhere to your duties and obligations at law, both impliedly and explicitly. So, good faith obligations, and also those mandated by the Health and Safety Act, to failure to provide a safe work environment. And ultimately, someone could potentially say, well, look, you've breached your obligations to me so badly, I'm resigning and bringing a constructive dismissal claim. So look, if this is a situation that you are experiencing in the workplace, whether you be an employer or an employee, myself and my team have many years experience in handling both sides of this coin and being able to offer you pragmatic real-world advice to navigate these issues successfully and in a timely manner, because time is critical. I find things tend to grow legs if they're not dealt with quickly. So that's one of our main focuses here, is giving you the advice you need at the time you need it in a manner in which you can understand and deploy on the ground quick smart.